Alright guys, I'm back here with Robi 2, and one of the funny things about this robot is that it has an Italian company name on the top, deagostini. It is made in China, but obviously was designed by Japanese. So that's a pretty interesting trifecta there. Alright, so let's get into Robi 2. So what does it need? It needs 3 of these kind of batteries here, which I do believe in the back says 1.5 volts. They may or may not come with it. In my specific case, I bought 2 and only got 1. Anyways, as we saw in part 1 of this build, I showed you guys how to put the batteries in and how to detach this piece. But now moving forward, we're going to start talking about how to build the feet, the legs, and the arm. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.